Hello friends! Well, as you already know, here in Downloads is the Manuals area for modules like drive-by-wire, launch, PDM, and ethanol. Down here, we also have the option to change the language. We click on Manuals, and here, for example, we have Boss Feeder. Also, as an example, drive-by-wire. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use Termite. Here we have the drivers. Well, let's download Termite. And once we've downloaded and unzipped it, we have 3 files like these. Let's open it here. It's very important that in settings here we have to choose the module's COM port. The rest will already come pre-configured. But basically, another important parameter is the speed, which is already pre-configured here. Well, here we actually have the module's response. That's drive-by-wire. And well, here we'll be able to send commands. So with this, we can now program with this tool. We also have tools made by us by the community, but this one seems to work on everything from very old Windows to very new ones without any problems, and it works very well. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.